Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to look at this airdrop called ATF. This is a Telegram project and many people are already cashing out from this platform, so you can try it as well. It is absolutely free. You are going to register and claim your reward, do your KYC, that is verify your account. And the good thing about it is that once you withdraw to your wallet, you can actually swap it instantly to USDT using gram. So it is very easy. Many people has already started, and if you have not started, you are still early. Locate the link in the comment section of this video and get started. All you have to do is just click on the link. It will redirect you to a Telegram and you click on get started. After that, the next thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. You need to connect your wallet before we'll be able to mine, and the wallet you are going to connect is your Tonkeeper wallet. You can decide to connect your Tonkeeper wallet or Ton wallet, whichever one you are using. Once you connect your Tonkeeper wallet, you are good to go. And after that, you click on claim. You can claim it instantly. Now this is what you need to do. If you click on this task session, they have a lot of tasks you can do to actually earn more ATF. Now these are the tasks you need to do. Now the mine, you click here. These are the miner. You are going to see your miner store. Now you are going to see your speed. My speed, this one is active. That is my speed level 1. I just registered now. Level 2, you're going to be earning $0.157. You're going to be receiving it in level 2, level 3. So this is the miner score or miner store. This is where you tackle that. And coming here to the friends, you have to invite your friends and well-wishers so that you can also increase your mining score. Now you click on this profile. Now if you click on this profile, this is where you are going to do your KYC or you verify your account. You are going to see something here, verified. Now this is where you are going to see your Telegram username, because they are going to ask you during that verification. So you click here to see your Telegram username, or if you don't want to go there, another way to do is just to go to your friends. You are going to see this URL copy link. This number you are seeing here, this small number here, is still your Telegram ID. So to get your Telegram ID is just from your referral link. You are going to get your Telegram ID. Now let's go back to profile. You click on verify. Now these are the things you need to do. They have two methods of verification. The first one is to record an 8-second video, and this 8-second video, all you have to do is just to bring a plain sheet. You write your Telegram ID, which I have shown you there. You write your Telegram ID, write it bold. The second thing is to sign the paper, and out today's, they just sign a signature, and at the same time you write today's date. Now the third thing you need to do is to write ATF in a large letters on the paper. Make sure that the ATF is written boldly so that the system can capture it. Now after that, the next thing is to look at the camera and say it out loud in English. I am not a robot. Now this is for the video recording. And after that, they said at the end, clearly show your signature at the date. So you must make sure that everything you are writing is visible so that your KYC will go through. Now, the second thing you need to do is the same paper. This is the second one. The same paper that you have used for the video recording for 8 seconds is still what you are going to use. Now they say you should hold the same paper in your right hand. Make sure you hold the same paper in your right hand next to your face. And after that, they say send document. You're going to send the document to them and they are going to verify your account. So look at what they said here. Fastest way, send on our Telegram channel direct message. On their Telegram channel, you send a direct message. They said our email is very busy and may take a long time to reply, so Telegram is strongly recommended. Or you choose to email address copied or send your video plus photo by email too. You are going to see the email you want to do if you want to go through your email. And they say whichever way you send, you must include your Telegram ID. So this is what you need to do. And after that, you are going to get your account verified So go and do this immediately. I'm going to do the KYC and I'll get back to you. So make sure you locate the link in the comment section of this video. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.